Everybody, how are you all? Today we are going to do calculation for sample variance, sample standard deviation, and percentiles using Excel. So here's the problem. So advertising dollars in billions for certain firms are given. We have to find sample standard deviation, sample variance, 40th percentile, and 65th percentile, and we are going to use Excel. So I go to this cell B12 and write the formula equal to standard deviation ST, and we are going to do STDEV, standard deviation dot S, which stands for sample, and double click on it, and then it asks for numbers. So our numbers are from A2 through A11, and you highlight A2 through A11 after standard deviation dot S in parentheses and hit enter. And you get the value for the standard deviation. Now we want to calculate sample variance, which is the square of the standard deviation, but we will use the inbuilt formula in Excel. So equal to variance VAR and then dot S for sample. And again, we highlight from A11 through A2 or A2 through A11 and hit enter. And that's your variance, sample variance for these sample of data. Then we are going to calculate the 40th percentile using Excel. Again, equal to PER percentile, and we will use percentile X, and just we will highlight from A2 through A11, then comma, and we want the 40th percentile, 0.4. Okay, and then we close the parenthesis and hit enter. 6.678. What does it mean? It means that 40% of the numbers in this sample of data are below 6.678. Now we will calculate the 65th percentile. So again, equal to PER percentile, and array is from A2 through A11, and comma, so comma, 0.65 for the 65th percentile, 0.65, and hit enter. That means 65% of the numbers in this array are below 8.7, okay, 8.71. The sample standard deviation is 3.82. What does it mean? It means on the average, the numbers in this data set vary from the mean by 3.82. So I'll stop here today. If you have any question or comment, please write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. If you like this video, please share with your friends. I'll appreciate that. You and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button at the bottom right corner. I will see you next time with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day. See you next time.